Hi, this is Yvette Hamill-Graves, and welcome to DataBank's Portal Tutorial Series. This is where you can actually get details about the power consumption in the data center. It's a little unique. We're very proud of this section because you can actually see very specific details on what you're consuming in real time and historically. See these bar graphs? You can actually go day by day and see exactly where your consumption has been. You can see at a glance whether your consumption is at less than 60%, or if you just want to see where you're pushing 80, which of course is the max that you ever want to go on a circuit, you can actually focus right on those particular circuits to see where your consumption is. Further down in this section, you'll see your space is detailed here. Your total area, in this case with our test account, it's 120 square feet with 5 configured racks. A list of the assets that we're monitoring within those racks. And systems and services that we're delivering to that particular colocation service. Here you can see here's the site-to-site tunnel, IPs that we've configured, that we've delivered with our managed internet product. And if you want to review the actual service orders that are associated with each of these items, all you have to do is click on a given hyperlink, and it takes you directly to that particular order, and it details what's in that order, what the amount was, all the systems that were associated with that, related tickets for that service delivery, and then further details directly from the quote itself.